Okay, a little bit of a change going on in Saraville, New Jersey. They're replacing the railroad bridge over Minisink Avenue. How long will it take? Who knows, but it's all going to be replaced. It's going to be interesting to follow it and see how it's done and everything. All right, check out those links below and the link for the completion and during the construction of the new bridge in Saraville, New Jersey. Till next time, have a good one.